In this module, I'm going to show you how to use a printed fabric for your binding. In this case, like the stripe binding fabric you see here. I love the look of stripe binding, and one of the great features of Pre-Quilt is that you can now use printed fabric as your binding fabric. So I'm going to go back and add that 1/2 inch binding here, and it comes in using A, but I'm going to switch over to use fabric link C because that's not being used anywhere else in this quilt. So when I update or change the fabric being used in fabric link C, it's not going to affect anything else in the quilt. I'm going to expand the fabric links tab and go to edit fabric link C. It'll open up the fabric link panel, and I'm going to click on the prints tab. And here you'll see that I have already loaded a black and white stripe fabric. That's great. I'm just going to use it as is. And you can see now that the binding fabric is now a stripe fabric. And it's been programmed so that it'll turn around the corners the same way you would when you're adding it to the quilt. If the stripe comes in or the fabric comes in differently than what you'd hope, you can always rotate it. And again, the way you rotate it, it will affect all the sides so that whatever, in this case, the stripes will be pointing in.